We don't want to forget the babies. My project car just arrived. 2001 Toyota Camry. We're here with Jason's car. Hi, baby. How you doing? You doing good? Welcome, guys. This is Jacob Price. Today I'm doing my first ever vlog. I decided to do this vlog because, I have a lot going on in life this year. I'm actually studying and take the Part 107 test, drone pilot, remote pilot. Bought a new house, have a baby. A bunch of crazy stuff has happened to me lately. So maybe I'll do a little home improvement stuff, maybe little car videos. I have a Lexus IS250. It's kind of slow, but stay tuned. My project car just arrived, and let's go take a look at it. We got a 2001 Toyota Camry. It's a V6. Has a little damage to it, but it's a LE. It can tow about 2,000 pounds. The engine looks pretty good. Yeah, probably get a new bumpers. Yeah, but I see potential. Should we roll some cinematics? All right, let's go. Alright guys, let's look at it, and I gotta wait for the parts to get in. How about we just go over to my buddy's house and watch him put in some coilovers. We don't want to forget the babies. Come on, let's go. With Jason's car, my brother-in-law. Look at that thing, he's about to slam it. What's the best part of car videos? So are you saying that we should just run some cinematics and fast forward? Yeah. Alright.
But it was too big.
Where could go a little more though?
So Jason,
Yeah,
how do you feel about your purchase?
that's a solid purchase right there.
So do you think we should show the viewers what your car looks like?
Yes.
Oh, Q Cinemax.
Q-Sin Max.
All right, here we go.
Deixa eu dizer o que penso dessa vida. Preciso de mais desabafar. Deixa eu dizer o que penso dessa vida.
Well, that was a fun video, right, Jason? Your car looks pretty dope.
It looks nice to me.
Pretty dope. All right, I guess I gotta go home and try to do Jonah's car. Okay.